Let's make some mummies for Halloween. Comment below your favourite Halloween costume. Using store-bought puff pastry, slice thin strips. I'm using hot dog sausages. Cut a small flap a third of the way down the sausage, then cut a second flap on the opposite side of the sausage. These will be the mummy arms. Slice the sausage in half at the bottom to make the legs. Starting at the top of the sausage, wrap a strip of the puff pastry around, leaving a gap for the eyes. Using another strip of puff pastry, continue wrapping the sausage. Lift the mummy's arms and weave the pastry under the pits, then around one of the arms. Repeat this process for the second arm. Continue wrapping the hot dog with puff pastry. Place mummies on a lined baking tray. Brush with a small amount of milk over the puff pastry and place in the preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes or until the pastry is cooked. You can make eyes for your mummies. You could use mustard or olives.